My name is Angela Ballard. I'm a registered nurse, and I work with the International Hyperhidrosis Society as their communications director, educator, and advocate. If you feel like you're sweating more than normal and it's starting to negatively affect your life, it's time to get help. And the place to start is with your physician. You can go to your primary care physician. They're certainly capable of helping you find a treatment option for this, or if you have access to a dermatologist, that's a great choice too. People should remember that hyperhidrosis is a very individual condition, and that treatments that work for one person may not work as well for someone else, and vice versa. Often you have to combine different treatments and really work with your physician to find the thing that works for you. Of the treatment options that are currently available, we often recommend that patients start with the least invasive, sort of most gentle treatment first. Try that out. For hyperhidrosis, that would be antiperspirants, and you can buy over-the-counter versions and clinical strength versions that are over-the-counter. Those are slightly stronger. And then there are prescription antiperspirants that you can get from your doctor. Sometimes an oral medication can work. You can also try Botox injections that actually are said to sort of stun your sweat glands so that the sweating can stop, and they last for months. There are lasers that can be used and another medical device called Miradry that works on the underarms. For people with extreme sweating on their hands or feet is iontophoresis. Other treatment options you can learn about on our website. There are a few local surgical options. They're not as common, and obviously they're more invasive, but there can be some serious side effects, so obviously it warrants a serious conversation before you would undergo something that invasive. In addition to any medical treatments that you might seek out for your excessive sweating, there are a lot of products out there that help you manage your symptoms. There are special t-shirts or dress shirts that limit the visibility of extreme sweating. There are underarm pads that you can use to absorb excessive sweating. There are also moisture-wicking sheets and pajamas, and even inserts that can go in your shoes and help wick away and absorb excessive sweating. So there are a number of treatments already available, and there are more in development, and certainly the field is ripe for innovators to come in and bring in the next great treatment for hyperhidrosis.